Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I'm doing kind of a delayed video. I've had these for a while now, but I got these on Yeezy Day, and I figured I'd do a video before I wear them. I was actually about to wear them right now, and I figured, why not do an unboxing video for these real quick. So here we go. We got the size 12 Yeezy 700 V3. I think it's pronounced Azael. I'm not 100% sure. It comes in the 700 box. Everything looks normal. I've never had a Yeezy 700. If it's the V1, V2, or V3, I've just never had any. But yeah, this is what they look like right here. And apparently they also glow in the dark, which I think is going to be pretty cool from all the reviews I've seen. This shoe I actually wanted really, really bad when they came out the first time. I think it's one of the only Yeezys without any boost in it. But I really, really liked them. I thought they were really cool. I liked the idea that they glow in the dark. I liked the cage structure on it. I just liked everything about it, and I missed out. And then it just so happened that the resale on these was crazy when they first released. So I just never even thought to even pick them up on the aftermarket like StockX or GOAT or anything like that. But when Yeezy Day happened and these came up, I was kind of just waiting for turtle doves, honestly, and foam runners. That's all I was really looking for. But I didn't know these were coming back out. So when I saw these come out, I entered and hit on them. And it was the only shoe I actually hit on for Yeezy Day anyway. Yeah, overall, I really do like these. I think they're super cool. As you can see, you get the Adidas logo in the back. The inner part here is exactly the same as the out. And this is what the tag looks like right here. I don't really know much about these. Fit-wise, they fit pretty snug. I think it's the booty system in it. As you can see, there's some 3M in here. So I got a size 12 just to play it safe, and I'm glad I did because I think 11.5 would have been too snug. Yeah, overall, I'm super happy I was able to pick these up. I think these will go with pretty much everything. I mean, it's just like a white and black sneaker, and then it glows in the dark at night, which I think is pretty cool. I just tried them on, so I don't really know the whole feel without the boost in it, but I mean, it felt fine. I think it's just gonna feel like any other sneaker. Yeah, overall, I'm super excited I was able to pick these up. I know resale dropped on them really hard, but I really don't care because these are gonna be for the foot anyway. Hey, but that is it. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of these. Just wanted to do that before I throw them on foot. But yeah, super excited for that I got these. Really, I guess patience was key on these. I just waited and waited until finally resale dropped to a price that I was probably gonna pick them up anyway, and I ended up hitting on resale. Yeah, but that is gonna be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Catch y'all next time.